Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you all doing today? So this is a new method, a new hairstyle I want you guys to learn. So one of my clients just walked in and showed me this hairstyle. I was like, oh no, there is no way I'm going to style her hair or make her hair without filming it. So I decided to just mount my camera and just start filming while I'm making the hair. So yeah, you guys just sit back and watch. So if you are new here, just go ahead and subscribe, join the family, give the video a big thumbs up. I'm sure you will want to share this video. Like, you will really want to share this video after you see the final result. It will just wow your mind. So yeah, give the video a big thumbs up as well. And if you really don't understand, or you have a video idea, or you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section as well. Let's get into it. First, I'm just going to go ahead to box braid her hair like so. I'm just doing this like the knotless braiding, adding extension as I box braid, and I will just the reason is just for it to look longer after I finish box braiding. That's the reason why I added extension. It's just for it to look longer. And for this hairstyle, we are using a natural, we're using kinky, because my client says she wants the box braid to look natural as possible. So that's why we're using kinky. All the products listed here, or all the products I'm going to be using here, will be on our website, www.exclusivesignature.com. We have products, hair products, we have wigs, we have box braid wigs, we have bundles, hairs, like anything about hair, just go there to shop from us.
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know why?
For the box braid, we start by box braiding it with her natural hair before I start adding up the extension. And adding it up, I'm doing it like so. You guys just watch so that you see the way I'm adding the extension. This is so that the extension will not be visible or won't show that I actually added the extension. Alright, at this point, I'm just going to allow you to watch the video so that you get to understand the whole process, the method and everything, all the good stuff here. So yeah, just watch, enjoy the music as well.
At last, to my body, so the crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know why? Wouldn't want to bleed. My heart, my mind, and my body. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low-key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come on, feel me slowly.
Love, yeah, see no way to believe her. I do the world, I'm a sinner. Yeah, nobody will be over. Now the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold with that they bar? That's how they move to Shita. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was that Shita. I wanna be in your life until the night is over.
Alright, once I am done, the next thing I'm just going to do is just attaching the coily extension, and for this I'm using a Lush Passion Twist. I'm going to insert like a picture here. I totally forgot to film the picture of the to film the hair before the installation. That's the extension before the installation, so I'm going to be inserting the picture here for you guys. Before the installation, we just cut the extension into like 2 equal lengths. Then we just start installing in a crochet method, and we'll be installing in little pieces. So yeah, for the installation, I'm using this crochet pin, the tiny one, not the big mouth, the tiny mouth or the tiny one. Just this is because I want it to be able to or easily penetrate to the box braid and also bring out hair easily. So yeah, using the big one will mess the whole thing up. We'll be installing the hair like I'll be installing the extension like about 2 to 3 pieces onto one box braid. So we'll be installing them in different parts. Like for instance, I'm going to install one close to the roots, and then like 2 or 3 at the middle, then 1 on the tip of the hair, just like that. Either 1 or 2 around the tip of the hair, then 2, 3 around the middle, then 1 close to the roots. This is for you to give it like a full look, because she wants it to look a little bit full but not so full. And the hair is actually lightweight as well. Alright, for the crocheting, this is actually different from what I've been doing here on my channel. This is the first time I'm going to be teaching you guys this particular crochet method, so just pay attention. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead to push the crochet pin in out of where I want the extension to be. This is to form a loop. We'll just go ahead to pass the tip of the hair around that same extension. Just pass the tip of the hair out just to form a knot or to tie a knot. We'll then go ahead to push the crochet pin in out of the braid again, very close to where I crocheted, or where I crocheted a piece before. We'll push in the crochet pin in out to bring out the tip of the hair as well, just a single tip or one part of the tip, because actually it will form like 2 tips. So I'm going to take one through the other part of the tip just to further tie the knot. Hope you guys understand my explanation. So again, I'm going to push the crochet pin in out of the box braid just to form a loop. We then pass the tip through the loop to tie a knot. That's the first knot. Then for the second knot, or the further tying of the knot, or to secure the final knot, I'm going to still push the crochet pin in out of the box braid, very close to where I crocheted before. So we'll push it out to bring out just one part of the tip to finally tie the knot, just so that the first knot will not be so visible. So at this point, I'm going to allow you to watch so that you understand what I'm doing, just in case my explanation is not good enough. So I'm just going to allow you watch to understand the whole process. So if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below as well, and give the video a big thumbs up. It will actually encourage us to keep uploading more videos for you guys.
I can hear you silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
So out there, where we looking there for something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'll talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Go, baby, at last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Once I'm done with the hair or crocheting the extension onto the box braid, I'm just going to go in with leave-in conditioner mixed with water, shake it, and then spray around the hair just to unravel the frizz and to detangle the hair as well. And after that, we'll still go in with this mousse, with a mousse styling mousse, and this one is for braided hair only. So for mousse, we have two different types, the one for the human hair and the one for braided hair. So yeah, I'm using the one for the braided hair. And after that, I'm still going to go in with oil sheen, spray around the hair to give it little shine as well. So she said I should go ahead to style her hair into like the half up, half down kind of style. So yeah, I just did that and this is what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video and you were able to learn something from this video. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'm so glad and I'm happy. Like, I'm so fulfilled because the video came out so well, and I'm happy that I was able to, you know, film the video, edit the video, and post for you guys to see. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Magic every time I look to you. I'm